everyone, it's Gretchen, Awesome Fun and Frugal, and I'm back to show you some other things that I have found. I'm always one to go, I ran out with a friend, go do a little shopping with her, and found some deals. And I also ordered something I've been needing pretty badly, and it came today also, so I'm going to share those things with you. So my friend needed to return some things to Macy's, and I don't often go to the mall or go to Macy's, any of those stores, but she showed me where their clearance area is, and that's something called Last Chance or something, and so for $14.63, which I think for Macy's is a really good deal, I got this tray. It's silicone baking trays and a non-stick baking pan set. So you can use it, and it shows on the back that you can use it as a regular baking dish, but you can, if you want to separate what you're roasting, baking, you can do that too. So I thought this would be neat because for the dog food, I could be separating out bones and carrots and whatever, or I can use the sheet for baking. I can also use these for baking if I want to bake little small portions, maybe to give little things away. Like you could take a cake and separate it into these, and I can give a couple of them away and freeze and have one out to eat. So I thought that would be pretty fun. And it was less than $15, so I'm always in for a good deal. And I needed a new cookie sheet thing because the one I have is really big, and it barely fits in my little tiny home oven. If you've seen any of my other videos, I have a little oven, a compact one. And my cookie sheet that I've been carrying around for years, it fits just barely enough to, when I shut the oven door, it pushes it all the way up against the back of the oven. So this is a better size for my oven. And now I have two baking trays. I can bake two things at once. So the next thing I got is something from Walmart. So if you've seen my dog food making video, I mentioned that I'm having a lot of trouble with small pans. I have to roast the chicken, I can only fit a few carrots in, and I needed a bigger pot to cook the chicken and steam vegetables also. So this way, and I like to steam veggies when I get food bank food. They often give way too many vegetables and I can't use them. And I either have to try to freeze them, or what I can do is I have a food dehydrator. I can dehydrate them, but I need to be able to steam large amounts at a time. Otherwise, it's all day of like steaming and then taking them out and putting more in and steaming some more, just to get like a little bit of. So then I dehydrate them. And then I have a grain grinder that I put the dehydrated veggies in, and I grind it down to a powder. It's a good way to preserve it and use it in lots of recipes. So, like right now I have about a half a jar of broccoli powder from a big bag of broccoli. So here is my new pot that I've been waiting for from Walmart. So I'm going to put this box down, and here is the box it came in. It is, I had to cut myself. knife is a little dull anyway, so. I miss the days when I could break tape. I can't do it anymore. My hands won't let me do it anymore. So here's my new. I couldn't get a really big one because I don't have the room. My stove is not that big either. So this is going to be a good size for me. So it's a stock pot with a steamer in it. I think it was only like 20 bucks, 20 something bucks for this. Lid. Well, I don't know how to get it out. And there's the lid. That goes on there. That way I get to unbox this stuff and see if it's right. Like, make sure nothing's wrong with it. Needs to be washed. It's got, looks like leftover metal or something. So that is the steamer basket. And then it has a bigger steamer basket. So I could do a lot with that. Oh, and this has a handle. This part has a handle. And then it's a big pot that I can, so I think it was like 20 bucks, 25 bucks. Yeah. So I am excited to be able to start processing more of the veggies that I get. So that's that. Put the lid here. I'll probably have to store it like that in my tiny home cabinet. And I will let you know how it works. I will do a video on steaming up some veggies very soon. So with this thing I can do the broccoli, big bag of broccoli in the bottom and carrots on top. And I don't have to wait. And I can also do a big chicken for the dogs and the bones, make broth and spaghetti. Wow, that's what I need, is one all-in-one kind of pan, because I don't have much storage in my tiny home. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll be letting you know how it works. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell if you want to watch more of my videos. See you next time.